Hey folks, and how's it going? Today we're going to have a look at the last row, another one of these medium ones, but I'll be honest with you, it's surprisingly trivial. Basically you have to go to the last row and take the value and then paste it in there. Just do it now. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so all we have to do is go in here, create a folder. That's not it. The last row. Take the number from here. Okay. Create a test. Same name. Set it to in work. Okay. Let's scan the web page. Okay, so now we can see Tosca has found the order table and the order value, which is what we want, and it was recognized it's unique. So let's just save that. Now if we go back in here, we can see we got a little module. Let's drag that into our test. There's the order table, row and column. We want the last row and we want value. It automatically goes to verify. We need that to buffer. And we'll call it the last row value, and then we want to paste it in here. Give it a go. Run it. Yep, that works fine. Cool. Let's go back to Tosca. And I liked lots of rows. That was in good shape. So let's take that and paste down what we have already. Go into the process where we buffer. We don't want to do that. We now want to do this instead. And we'll put the verify at the bottom. And what we do here now, we rename it so it's meaningful to somebody else. Buffer the value found in the last row. And verify the solution. Now, this number here is important. That's going to be the TCP, test configuration parameter. So let's run it from the top. First of all, kill that. Run it. Happy days, guys. Yeah, that worked fine. Thanks for your time and patience. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, give us a like, a comment.